Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today's video is my May update for the Deck of Panning project. This project was created by Emily from Emily and Max. I will have Emily's channel linked down in the description box, along with the link to the spreadsheet, the Deck of Panning spreadsheet, in case you're wanting to do this project. It's never too late. You can jump in where you are. This project runs from the 20th of January through the 20th of December, so you still have plenty of time to get started. I actually started doing this project for the first time like in the middle of the year last year. You're going to need a deck of cards along with the Joker, and as you watch, I'm going to put my Joker in my deck. The premise of this project is that you start with 5 products. You will pull a card, you will look on the board to see what prompt that card is associated with, and then you will pull your products. You will set usage goals or follow whatever the prompt says in case the prompt tells you, and then we do monthly updates on the 20th of every month. So let's get started with what is staying in and what is possibly rolling out. Last month for the 9 of Spades, which is a splurge item, I pulled this Ensly Reign Cold Moon palette and I put it in for 5 uses. It is such a beautiful palette. Oh my gosh, love it, love it, love it. And I have used it so far 3 times, so this is happily staying in for 2 more uses because I really do enjoy this palette. For the 10 of Diamonds, which was something multi-use, I pulled in this House Labs high-powered pigment paint. You can use this as an eyeshadow, you can use it as an eye base, you can put it on your lips, you can put it on your cheeks, wherever you want to put it. And I pulled this in for 10 uses, and I have used this 2 times. I love this as an eye primer. I am currently working on Gerard Cosmetics eye primer in another project, too many P's. And I have that rolled in to finish, so I have been kind of concentrating on that, but I love this. It makes a wonderful eye base. So this is staying in. For the 9 of Hearts, which is the prompt, oh the shame, I rolled in this NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator because I had never used it. And I rolled it in for 10 uses, and I have used it 8. And oh my goodness, I have never loved a product as much as I love this. I have it on my cheeks, and as you can see, I am just beaming. I love this product so much, so much. And you can use this under your makeup, or you can put it in your lotion before you put it on, but I love it as a highlighter. I love it, love it. I am so excited that I was shamed into using it because it is amazing. For the 7 of Clubs, and the prompt for that was a black-owned beauty brand, I pulled in this Tower 28 Cream Blush for 10 uses, and I used it 12 times. I had no problem using that whatsoever. It is a beautiful shade, and it blends out very nice. And for the last card, which was the 5 of Hearts, and that was something that was gifted, and I was gifted a beautiful set of these Zoya nail polishes, and there are 4 of them, and I was going to use every shade at least once. I've only used this one, so the rest of those will be staying in. And I can't remember why I have 6 products, but also for the 7 of Hearts, a black-owned beauty brand. I think I pulled a card and I had to pull 2 products. I pulled in this Juvia's Place, the Rebel Grays, to use 10 times, and I have used that 10 times, so this will be rolling out as well. So that means that I'm only drawing 1 card. it has not been the best month. But that's alright because the products that are staying in I am enjoying, so I am not mad about that. So I'm going to shuffle my cards. So that we can pull one card and pull one product. Next month I'll be pulling probably a whole refresh because I'll be finishing up. I am not doing so good at shuffling these cards. I will probably be doing a whole refresh next month because I'm almost done with some of these. Alright, here they are, one card. Hopefully it's not the Joker. Y'all ready? It's the Two of Spades. I'm going to put the board right here. The Two of Spades is this time last year, which means something that came into your life inventory a year ago. So let me look at my spreadsheet and figure out what that product is, and I'll be right back. That did not take me long at all because the first thing that I pulled up, I have my products separated by type. So starting at the top, I went right into hair products because I am not really working through a shampoo and conditioner. So oddly enough, this Flora and Curl, oh, my lights are bright. Flora and Curl Hydrate Me Organic Rose and Honey Cream Shampoo. And I have the conditioner to go with it, and as you can see, they are full. I have never used them, and I got these in May of 2022. I thought it said 2023, but you know what? I'm going with it because I have been wanting to use these, and I have just kind of been waiting to put them into something. So I'm rolling both of these in for 20 uses. And now let's see what they smell like. They smell fairly decent. Not as rosy as I thought they were going to smell, but anyway, I'm excited because I've had these for a while and I have not used them. So there we go. That's it. So that's my update for Deck of Panning for the month of May. Next month, like I said, we will probably have probably not. I'm sure I can use these 20 times by then, right? Maybe we'll have a total refresh. If not, pretty close. Like I said, I have Emily's channel linked down below along with the link to the spreadsheet. And Emily has a whole playlist, so you can go watch everybody else's videos that are doing Deck of Panning before you go check out Emily. Make sure you show that like button some love. It really does help out my channel. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscription button. I appreciate you spending some of your valuable time with me today. Okay. Love you. Bye.